How to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app. And from here, make sure to get to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And once you're at your profile page, click on the 3-bar line at the top right, and you should get to the settings page. From here, we need to go to Account Center, which you usually find at the top, but if you don't see it, you can use the search bar and search for Accounts Center. Let's tap on it, and this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, we need to tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom part, and you should be able to see all the linked accounts that are linked onto your Instagram. And locate your Facebook account and tap on Manage. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, we just need to tap on Move Out of this Accounts Center and tap on Move Account right here. Click on Continue once you agree with all of these. And if this pops up, you can opt to create a password. I'm just gonna tap on Not Now and tap on Yes, Finish Moving. And it will then say that your Facebook account is now out of the Account Center, and that would disconnect your Facebook account from your Instagram account.